Hi guys, just one of those little fun projects inspired by something I saw, can't remember whether it was Pinterest or Twitter, but it's just a radio control servo, 9-gram servo with the bits taken out, directly connected to a solar panel. So the motor straight to the solar panel, the circuit board in there is disconnected, modified the gear that normally stops it doing a full rotation. You just clip a little bit of plastic off. You also have to drill it out so it's free running on the shaft that it's on, because normally it tries to turn a potentiometer so that the circuit board knows how far it's turned. So that's a 360-degree modification to the servo. One of my old 3D printed chassis, or part of one. CDs for wheels. Barbecue skewer for the axle. And a little bit of bicycle tyre there. Or bicycle inner tube, just cut up to look like a couple of hands as it moves itself forwards. Obviously I could have put two of them on there. I just thought it looked fun with just the one. A one-armed crawler bot. I did a lot of crawler bots a long time ago. So there'll be a link in the video description to my crawler bots. And that's it. Oh, obviously googly eyes. Just hot glued in place on a bit of springy wire. The only problem is we don't have any sunshine again. We're in the middle of a heat wave, but we got clouds. But that's it, it's that simple. A bit of artificial sunlight, just so you can see it working. I will show you the build video as such, or where I was working on the servos, but I'll fast forward it because I had no end of trouble. I was using servos that I'd already scrapped at some time in the past, hoping that I could make use of them. Unfortunately, they had broken gears and I ended up having to combine the bits from more than one servo to get one working servo out of it. So I had several false starts. The solar panel, I've covered over the size of it, but it just happens to be one that I've got in my stock. It gives us enough voltage and current to run the motor. It would be nice to run it in the sunshine, but that'll have to be another day. Hi guys, another one of those little projects that I've been meaning to have a look at for quite a while. Inspired by something, I think I saw it on Twitter, either Twitter or Pinterest. Got a radio control servo here, 9-gram, which I'm pretty sure is faulty. So I'm just going to test it. Yeah, you really can't see what the problem is, but I can hear it and I can feel it in there. I think we've got some teeth missing. Either that or one of the gears is actually physically broken. So, faulty servo. What are we going to do with it? I'm going to take it apart, either just use the motor from it, or if I can find what the fault is with the gears, maybe repair it, but make it so it will turn full 360 degrees, which means there's a little tab in there you have to cut off. And then I'm going to see if I can make it solar powered. Noise in the background, Nanny's doing the washing. So that's the washing machine rumbling away back there. Well, this video is taking far too long to put together. The servo that I found in that box was also faulty. It got a bent, I don't know if we can see that, it got a bent shaft in it. No idea why that's bent, obviously something I've done to it at some time, but it's bent. So I've had to use the parts from both servos to get one working servo. And they're not the same manufacturer, so their parts didn't fit perfectly. I've had to work on it a bit. Anyway, now I think we can see we've got a solar powered servo, or at least a solar powered gearbox. So there's a fair bit of torque there running off that solar panel. So I'll put the bottom back on, screw it up and see if we can make use of it. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.